Right guys, welcome back. Here we are, we're on the last leg as it were, the last stretch, nearly there. We've got the furnace on, up and running, and we've got the sandcasts done for the old Halloween challenge that we've done. I've been working really hard. The judges, you know, if you've watched the other videos in this little mini series, we've done the discussion about how we're going to do it. Judge done the 3D print, we received it, sent it over. I've done the sand impressions, and now here we are in the pouring shed getting ready to do the pour. So I did have some problems with the impressions that you might have seen, so I'll just run you through now what I've actually got. Right guys, as you can see, I've got some casts made there. You getting that? There's that one, and I've also got another 3 lined up just in case I have any problems. Furnace is nearly there, look, we're up to 1001. But yeah, if you can see this one, I've actually manipulated the sand. I've pushed it in to kind of squash it in a little bit, because I have had terrible problems, and as you can see, I've done the same with that one. There's my thumbprint on the left hand side. I've just squashed it in just to see. So we're going to have 4 bites of the cherry. That's the first one we're going to go with. So what we'll do now, we'll get over to the other camera and you can watch the pour going. So 4 bites of the cherry. Let's have it. Right punks, so there you have it. There's the 4 impressions we're going to work with. Hopefully I can get one good one out of all of them. So the furnace now is up to 1060, so we're nearly ready to go. I'll get the matte gas and get the tongs heated up. If I can just find the tongs, I'm not sure where I've put them. Bear with me one sec guys, I'll find the tongs. There they are. We'll get these warmed up so we don't have no steam explosions or any problems. Let me just warm these up with the matte gas. Oh dear. There we go, we're off and running. Right, that's them nice and warm. It has been very cold in the shed, in the pouring shed. So, right, the furnace is now 1071, so just about where I like it. I like it between 1070 and 1080 for these sand pours. So, right then guys, let's have it. Let's see if we can do it. This Halloween zombie head challenge. Oh yeah, we got the glow. We got the glow. Whoa, I went a bit too much at the end. It was just starting to stick a little bit. But look at that bad boy. It looks cool from the back. Let's just shut the furnace up. Oh yeah. Are you getting that? Look at the colours. Look at the colours. Oh, I had to get. Oh, it's got a lovely dome back on it. It's lovely. Oh, if this has come out, it's just if I've poured too much at the back. Oh yeah, look at that. Cooling nicely. Oh yeah. Oh, if this has come out first time, I'll be so happy. Oh, we're getting some bubbling. Bit of bubbling there, look. Look at that bad boy. Right then, the moment of truth. Last 4 or 5 days have been coming to this moment to see if we could produce. Here we go then. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Look at that. Oh guys, look at that. Are you getting that? Look at that. Guys, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. It's come out well, even though I did, in truth be known, I have over poured it because it's got like the wings at the back there. But look at that bad boy. Dig his mouth out. Oh guys, that is cool, man. No messing about. That is pucker. Right, let's get you turned round for the quench. Right then guys, that's you turned round properly. Let's grab the oh, where's my other tongs? Oh no, everything's going right. Right, let's get this over. So excited to see how this has come out. You getting that? You getting that? Here he goes, Halloween zombie. Oh yeah. Right then, let's have a look, see what we've done, see if we need to melt him or whether we're okay. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that bad boy. Look at that, are you getting that? Right, let's just give him a quick dry. You getting that? Look at that. Lovely back. Oh. Ah. Let's dry him again. Gets up, just too excited. Look at that bad boy for the Halloween challenge. I think we've produced. Are you getting that? I think we've produced. He's going to tone up really cool. Does he stand up? Yeah, he stands up. Now we've got a decision to make. As you've seen in the pour, I could have stopped. I did over pour and we got these wings. I could have stopped and got rid of those. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to go again or stay with that. Do we stick or twist? I don't know. There you go though guys, look at that bad boy. Right guys, as you can see, we set up again. I had a look at the silver stores and I've just managed to get enough to do another pour. So this bad boy that we've just done, this one here, he come out at just under 100 grams. So I just had 100 grams left. So we're going to give it another go. He's so cool. I'm just loving that. I'm just loving it. Loving it. But I'm wondering if I just didn't over pour it, we could get it more to the original. Although I think that looks pretty cool like that. When that's toned up, that's going to look fabulous. It's almost like the zombie's got like a veil coming down like his sides or a cloak or something. I just think that's cool. So a happy accident. So we've got it. We've got what we wanted. We wanted something cool, so we've got it. But now we're just going to see if we can refine a little bit and get it closer to the actual print. So wish me luck guys. The furnace is 1080, so we'll go straight away. So here we go, Halloween pour 2. Oh guys, I stopped that time. Have I done it? Did I get it? Oh guys, it's got the shape. It's got the shape on the back. I don't know whether you're getting it, but you can see the shape round. Oh, I'm pleased. It's just whether the cast's good enough. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that bad boy. You getting that? Oh yeah. Come on. Come on, Silver Gods. Let us have a good one. Let us have a good one. Right, still a little bit of flame, a bit of bubbling. Should we get him over? Oh, lovely back on him. Lovely back, come on. Let's have ya. Oh guys, I think we cracked it. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go, Judge. And your 3D print, eh? Wait until you get your keyboard fingers around that bad boy. Look at that. I know he's got a bit of burnt clay on him, but look at that. Mission accomplished, challenge taken, and smashed. Right, I'll get you turned around for the quench. Right guys, here we are. Got you turned around for the quench. Let's get this zombie boy in. You having that? Oh yeah. Zombie Boy 2. The sequel. Oh yeah. Let's have a look. Oh guys, look at that. Are you getting that? You having them apples? Look at that. Gonna back on him. Guys, that's so cool. Let's just see. He stands up. He stands up. Mission accomplished. There you have it. Right, next job. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm gonna have to go and have a brew. Calm down. Right, gonna go and have a cup of tea. Then I'll meet you guys back when I start doing the toning. See you in a bit, guys. Right, Silver Punks, welcome back. As you can see, we're inside now. We're gonna look at the toning and look at that bad boy. You getting that? Look at them apples. So that was the second one, as you know, that we did. That was the first one with the wings, with like the veil or the cloak, the overpour. So what we're going to do now, as usual, we're going to do the toning. And as you can see, the toning looks a little bit different this time. I'm using some different chemicals. So we're going to give it a go. Let me just mix those up. I'm trying something a little bit different. So it's going to be a bit cloudy, so you might not see it as much. But we'll give it a go. Cool. Right then, let's get them straight in. We'll do one at a time. We'll do that guy first, the wing guy first, just to see. Yeah, there you go. Oh, look at that. Nice gold colour there. Something that we're doing down the pipe, we might need a nice gold colour for. So, my new chemicals does work. It was something I was trying to look at that. You're getting that? Nice and gold, but we're going to carry on because we don't want that. Oh, yeah. So excited with this pour. The Halloween challenge has come out really well. Really loving it. If you have enjoyed it so far and what we're doing, please don't forget to subscribe. It all helps our little channel. And we've got lots more interesting stuff coming. As I said, we've got a nice... Oh, look at that bad boy. Are you getting that? Look at them apples. New chemicals working well. You want to go a bit darker though, because oh yeah, look at that bad boy. You getting that? You having that? Look at that. I'm changing in real time there. Look at that. Right, I think we might stop there with him. So let's pop him in there. Give him a quick wash off. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. You're getting that. Look at the gold tones on that. Look at the back. Oh, very pleased with that. Obviously we've got to do a bit of clean up. We'll take some back off the face, obviously, and then we've got the nice goldy tinged to the background. So right, now let's get this guy in. Now we might take this one a bit further. Go a bit darker. Let's just give that one a dry while we're waiting for him to tone. Look at that bad boy. It's on its way. You getting that? So what I'm going to do with this, we want to leave all that dark in the base. I'm going to polish all that back, rub that back so that comes out almost antiques looking. And then we've got all them colours on the base and like his dark veil behind him. So yeah, that should be really cool. So that's what we're going to try with that one. And I think I might do the same with that guy as well. Just depends how the colours come out because it is experimental. Oh, look at that. He looks really cool in gold though, doesn't he? But zombie, not really cool as being gold, but yeah, we got that little Raiders of the Lost Ark thing we want to visit, so this might be the way to go for that, the chemicals for that. Yeah, we're getting there. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, I'm liking them apples. Right, and guys, we'll get him out. He's got a nice blue iridescent tone to him. You getting that? Oh yeah. I'll just get him dried up. I'll give you a quick look. Let's move these out of the way. Just dry them off. There you go, guys. There they are, straight out to Tony. So obviously I've got some work to do. I know. Polish back some of this so we can see some more of the features. Same with that one, but look at them bad boys. You getting that? So yeah, pleased with how they've come initially out to toning. Now it's up to the cleanup, so I'll see you guys back with the finished shots. Are you? Right, Silver Punks, here we are then. As you can see, the two finished ones, all finished now, polished up, toned. Ah, just loving it. I think we bashed the challenge out. This was the first one, the overpour with a veil down the sides. I'm going to call it a veil, but it was an overpour, the wings. But yeah, come out well. Really nice, as you can see, toned up well. Now this is the second one, the one that we smashed it out the park in my view. Look at that bad boy. You getting them apples? Come out really well. Just very sculptural. It was pretty much to the 3D print. When we compare the prints in a minute, you'll see it was pretty much the same. So come out really well. Very pleased. And there we go. And there they're both of them together. And now we'll have a look at the 3D print. Now obviously this is where it all came from. Judge done a fantastic job. I'm not sure whether you've seen the earlier videos. I do suggest you watch and see the whole process all together, because it's really, really cool. Judge made this little print there, and then obviously we done the casting, and it's come out really well. And we set ourselves a tough. I think it was tough for us anyway. It was tough to do it in. We only had like 6 days to go before Halloween. Judge come up with the idea of doing it, and we've done it. So there you have it, guys. A zombie sculpture head by Silverpunk. Done. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time for some more cool 3D printing and silver pouring. Cheers. Oh, happy Halloween.